Amazing panoramic views are all yours from this lovingly restored mid-century modern home, complete with a guest suite. Centrally located, close to Mount Tabor, with views from downtown Portland to Mount St. Helens and Mount Hood, you'll enjoy easy access to Hawthorne shopping and restaurants. And it's just minutes from I-205 and the Portland Airport. Heading inside, discover a thoughtfully renovated interior, new wood floors, an open layout perfect for entertaining while enjoying those gorgeous views. From the dining area, head out to the new covered deck, where you can take in spectacular sunsets. The beautifully renovated kitchen has every amenity for the chef and the family, with quartz countertops, new appliances, and breakfast bar seating. In the master bedroom, relax by the fireplace and wake up to breathtaking views. This home of more than 3,200 square feet has 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths. The huge downstairs family room is complete with a fireplace and large picture windows. You'll also find a new large laundry room, a generous bedroom, and a new lower-level bath. Enjoy barbecues from your patio, which opens to the large, level backyard. A separate entrance leads to the recently renovated guest suite with its own kitchenette, a bedroom, and full bath. An exceptional, beautifully renovated mid-century modern home in a fantastic central location. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Eric Pubols with Premier Property Group.